Now let's play with the sounds and words. Remember that we know how to break words apart into their individual sounds. We will break words into their sounds and count the number of sounds. Ready? Let's go. Listen as I do the first one. The first word is frog. I hear f at the beginning, after that, then and g at the end. Frog. Now count the sounds with me on your fingers. Frog. There are 4 sounds in frog. You try it. Picture 2 is a yak. What sounds do you hear in yak? That's right. Let's count those sounds by holding up our fingers. Yak. How many sounds are in yak? 3. Let's do another. Picture 3 is a lamp. What sounds do you hear in lamp? That's right. Let's count those sounds with our fingers. How many sounds did you hear? 4. Let's do a few more. Spit. Spit. How many sounds do you hear in spit? Right. 4. Spit. 4 sounds. Spit. What about jet? Jet. How many sounds do you hear? We hear 3 sounds. Jet. Jet. What about the word root? Root. We actually hear 3 sounds in root. You hear oot. So those 2 O's are making that oo sound, root. The last one is the word scrub. Scrub. How many sounds do you hear in scrub? There are actually 5 sounds in scrub. Scrub. There are 5 sounds in the word scrub. Now we're going to play a game. We're going to sort picture cards into 2 groups, words with 3 sounds and words with 4 sounds. So look at the first picture, frog. What sound do you hear? What sounds do you hear in frog? Frog. How many sounds are in frog? There are 4. Remember to hold a finger up for each sound if that helps you keep track of the number of sounds. So where should we put the card frog? We should move it over to the 4 sound column. Now let's continue with the rest of the words. Look at yak. What sounds do you hear in the word yak? Yak. Yak. How many sounds does yak have? That's correct. It's 3 sounds, yak. Now let's look at lamp. 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 That should go over in the 4 sound category. What about fox? Fox. 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 How many sounds do you hear in fox? Yes, you're right. We hear 3 sounds in fox. What about in pot? Pot. 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 That's also correct. We hear 3 sounds in pot. What about slide? Slide. 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 How many sounds did we hear? We heard 4 sounds in slide. Nice work, guys. Now we are going to use the letters in the word to blend the word together. So let's blend the letters in line 1 to read. Say the letters and sounds with me. Blending it together is the word frog, frog. Let's look at the next word. Slide, slide. Say the sounds with me. Notice that it has a silent E, so you will not hear that sound. Let's blend it together. Slide, slide, slide. Super. Now let's look at some more words.